Hello everyone, welcome to Love Story Technology. Today we are going to see how to migrate BigRock emails to O365. First, we need to open BigRock control panel. I'm going to enter URL. Today we have my team with us for this migration. Hello Omkar.
Hi, sir.
So Omkar, that you said कि login नहीं हो रहा है.
Yes, yes.
So देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. Simply यहाँ पे तो मेरे यहाँ पे सेव है ऑलरेडी. सो
Okay.
यहाँ से रीसेलर नहीं लेना है, जस्ट कस्टमर लेना है क्योंकि एंड यूजर का
Okay.
है ना. देन जस्ट लॉग इन.
Okay. Okay.
सॉरी. देन हियर यू कैन सी द डोमेन रिकॉर्ड्स. ओमकार, यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है कि डोमेन रजिस्ट्रेशन लिखा हुआ है, करेक्ट?
Okay.
सो
Okay.
क्लिक ऑन मैनेज्ड DNS records.
Okay.
Here you can find all these records. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yes, yes. Got
So
it.
our first step to log into O365 now. So office.com. That should be the admin.
Hi.
admin.office365.com. First we need to go to the show all, then settings, domains,
Okay.
add domains. What is that? Go to the records, open the client domain name, then need to enter, use this domain. Now we are just adding the txt record to prove the domain ownership,
Okay.
not pointing to the
Okay.
mx record, because mx record, if we point it to the mx record, then client need to face the issue, because client is currently operational and they are working. So to avoid that,
Okay.
we
Okay.
just prove the domain ownership and we use the txt record only.
Okay.
So we need to verify.
Got it.
So we need to create this record into the BigRock. Actually, BigRock have their hosted on the C panel. So we need to go to the order, then my hosting, then click on the go to C panel. Then the C panel is open. Then click on the modify the zones. Then later on, we added this record here. You can see. One moment, I will show you the Microsoft record one. TXT record. Here you can see
Oh.
the TXT record, and then We click on verify, and now it's verified, and move it to the next step. Click on continue. Sorry, untick this, continue. Later on, I will tell you why I untick that and skip MX record and SPF record, all those things, because we just prove
Okay.
the our domain ownership right now, so that we have a
Okay.
owner of this domain, and done. Domain is added. You can see,
Yes.
and
Yes.
you can also see here that I'm going to home again, and you can see that domain is still with the BigRock as well. So there is no
Yes.
downtime for client. We just prove the domain ownership and just entered here. You can see no services
Okay.
selected. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Now next step is to create a same user. That means same email ID, same like the BigRock. So now again we need to go to the C panel,
Okay.
go back to tools, emails account. Here you can see all this mail ID. So we need to create all this same email ID. So we have two options. Manually we can create, or we can bulk upload. But this video is for explanation in detail. So we will choose the manual process. Now I move to the O365. Just copy this design mail ID. Go to the users, add user account. Just enter the username. Domain is already added here. I am going to manually set the password. Need to enter the display name. So temporary, I am going to mention the display name. Then click on next. We have 11 licenses, so we pick one. Click on next, next, and finish adding.
Okay.
Then close. You can see here that design already assigned the license. Okay, you can see.
Yes.
And now we are going to see that online mailbox is created or not. Here you can see
Okay.
that 50 GB mailbox is assigned. So now we can start
Yes.
the migration. Now we move to the Exchange Admin Center. Click on migration, add
Okay.
migration batch. We are
Yes.
entered the pilot batch, for testing before doing
Okay.
all these mailboxes. Migration to Exchange Online, migration from Exchange Online. So we are going to choose migration to Exchange
So
Online.
exchange online.
Click on next. Migration type, it's a IMAP migration. I will explain in another video uh, what are these types and what are the purposes for every migration type. Right now we are doing the IMAP migration only because it is supported by the BigRock, the IMAP migration type only. Click next. Next, create the migration endpoint. Create a new migration endpoint. Click next. Migration endpoint name pilot, and I'm mentioning the date. So concurrent migration we can perform 20 and incremental sync 10. So it's only one, so it's not applicable for our mailbox migration right now.
Okay.
Move to the next. We need to mention the IMAP server. So now we need to find out the IMAP server for, we need to identify IMAP server. So we can click here and IMAP server is mail dot, this one is our IMAP server. I'm just copy this one and paste it to here. Then basic SSL, verify the port, so 993 for IMAP, and what is the protocol 993. Okay, it should be okay. SSL and TLS settings, so both. So SSL, do not click on skip verification, otherwise you never know what has happened in backend, it is verified or not. So I'm going to click on next.
Okay.
Endpoint is created. Click on
Yes.
next. Now need to enter the user list. So we are going to download, sorry, I'm going to header with the user information. Now I'm going to open this one. We are going to open Notepad. We're going to close this one. My download. Can open with the Notepad. You can open in Excel as well, but for only
Okay.
one mailbox, I can choose this one. So in this format, you have to enter. I'm going to delete this one.
Okay.
So here we need to mention the username. So what is our username? So our username is username is let's see, panel tools again, emails. Then we are going to design. So this is our username. Just need to copy and sorry, paste the email address, then our email ID and username is same, so I'm keeping the same, and then need the password. Omkar, you have a password for that, right?
Yes. Yes, yes, I have.
So can you just
But I will.
paste it to the chat box?
Yes.
Write it. Now import CSV.
Okay.
Go to the download. Select. Open. Next. Next. Manually we are going to start. Time zone India. Save. Done. Click on batch. Resume migration. Confirm.
Okay.
So our migration is started. If any glitch in our configuration, we can see the error. Simply click on views detail and just refresh it and wait for a minute.
Oh,
Now,
sir, this day.
now you can see after the refresh, the status is syncing. We need to keep monitoring on it. If again, if anything glitch in our configuration, then we can see the error. If all is good, then that item synced and script will be started. So we are waiting for it.
Oh,
Now you can see our configuration is correct and status is syncing, data consistency score perfect, and item synced 875. So our migration is successfully started. So thanks for watching this video, and in upcoming days we will do the more sessions for you for the migration point of view, what type of migration O365 have, and how to migrate from any other platform to O365, O365 to G Suite, Exchange on premises to Exchange online. We will provide all these technical details with details details tape with the relevant article, and we will also adhere the compliance country wise, so we will provide that more details on the technical compliance as well. So thanks for watching the watching video, and stay connected. Like, share, subscribe our channel Love Story with Technology.